Aside running successful businesses and being able to attend very intense business classes, what I'm going to do in this video is to be able to show you what the light is from theory, from classroom, and then add up practicals from my experience. By the end of this video, you're going to get clarity as to how to start your business. You're going to get clarity as to whether the business you want to start is profitable or not. You're also going to get clarity if running business is for you, because really, running businesses is not for everyone. So maybe your money is somewhere, maybe your life is going to change if you do something else, because people misunderstand the realities of being a business owner, especially a business owner in Nigeria. So let's get into it. You're going to have different episodes, so make sure you watch all of this video. They are for free, really. You don't have to pay anything to learn the truth. So make sure you watch each of these videos one by one. Don't miss any, because each video is like a foundation and we're going to build and build and build and build. Don't forget again, my name is Start with Breakthrough and welcome to Are You Ready to Start Your Business in 2022?